Hi everyone! Check out this tutorial by Lori Whitlock using her circular mini album die from iCrafter.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Lori Whitlock YouTube channel today. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the assembly of my circular mini album that I have in metal die format with icrafter. So check out and look for my new die collections with icrafter. I'm bringing to you some of my favorite projects in metal die format. With this set, you're going to get the cute pages to make this circular mini album that looks like this, and all the darling little embellishments. So let's get busy putting this together. You're going to want to cut at least 4 of these main card pieces here. You'll see it's that largest die here. You'll want to cut at least 4, and you could do 5 if you would like, or more. You could probably do 6, but 4 is kind of the minimum to get this look here. 5 is going to give it a little bit more of a closed look, or a little more space in each, or a little more give in each section here, so they'll be kind of up a little bit all the way around. So cute. Anyways, to put this together, this is the main assembly part, and then you can cut just as many embellishment panels as you would like, or covering panels and little embellishment pieces. So I'm just going to kind of move all these extra pieces out of the way. This is such a cute set. It's got this cute Polaroid frame with the hearts cut out. It's got the word love, family, and thankful in the set. Covering panels that perfectly fit on each of the sides of this, and also it's got the triangle pieces to go on these panels here. If you'll notice in our finished sample, those triangle panels are here. And then it's also got a little cute pocket that we're going to put together, and bracket shape and tag shapes in the set. So lots of fun ways to embellish this little album, or honestly, I think it'd make a great card to give to somebody. So what you're going to do to put these together is essentially just fold on all those score lines and fold this one up, and then you're going to glue that glue panel on the back side of this. So you want those glue tabs to be on the back side of each of these. You don't want them to show on the inside. So basically like this, so you don't want to see any glue seam here. You want it to be on the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and put some adhesive on that line. And I'm just going to take that tab and just line that up on this side, and just fold that up and give it a good press. And we have one of our panels completely done, and we're just going to make 4 or 5 of those. Okay, so just again to repeat that process, we are just going to fold this direction, and then that direction, and then we're going to fold it on top of itself so that triangle is hiding inside, and then we're going to take that little glue tab and it's going to wrap around, so we're going to fold it forward just like that. And you might want to take a bone folder and give it a good press and burnish it really nicely. Okay, and now we'll just take our adhesive and then what we're going to do when we're done is glue each of these to their neighbor all the way around. So just continue that process for 2 more or 3 more pieces. Okay, so now that we have those together, if you'd like to start embellishing now, you could, or you can go ahead and glue these together. And what I'm going to do is keep one section open, so you can see how if you had a 5th section, these would kind of pucker up just a little bit more, which makes it really cute as well. But I'm going to leave one section open so that it can be closed like a book, and you can wrap ribbon around it or a little clip or something, and then when the recipient gets it, they can open it up. So just make sure you don't put adhesive on one of those panels. We want to leave it open. So I'm going to go ahead and put adhesive on this side here. And then when you line these up, you just want to make sure that your triangle panels will sit on the ground. And so we're just attaching two of the square panels side by side. You want to line that up perfectly. And then you can just lay that flat and give it a good press. And we're just going to continue to do the same thing with these other two panels. Oops. That didn't work so well. We'll just put some more adhesive on that. Let's see if we can get it to stay down. Okay, again, make sure those triangles are on the same side. Oh, don't glue down yet. We'll just line that right up. And then one more panel. It's going to go right here. My adhesive really wants to pull that paper up. Okay, I think we're going to end there. Okay, we'll just take that panel and line it up. And that completes the base of our little album. You can use a clip to just clip that open, and then you can close the album, and you can use a clip to just close that, and that's a cute way to deliver the album or the little card, or you could tie it up with a cute ribbon as well. So, but when it opens up, you get this nice presentation, and now it's time to go and embellish this. So we've got, and I'm not going to embellish the entire one quite as much as we have this one, but I'll just show you how these covering panels all work. So I've got a set of the triangles here. And you can mix and match colors and do whatever you would like for this embellishing. On this other example that I have, we've done different colored panels on each section, or if you wanted to do the same color, you could do that as well, like that's all red, or that could be red with blue. I think on this one we'll go ahead and just do all red. And we'll just glue that down. And then we've got our covering panels for the sides. So we'll go ahead and glue one of those down. Put that right on the side in here. And then we'll take our little pocket and just fold those tabs over, burnish that so it stays nice and crisp. And we'll just glue that right here. And then inside of that, you can tuck a little embellishment panel. This little bracket panel is very cute. Tuck in there, or you could also tuck a little tag in there. Super cute. And let's just go ahead and let's embellish this pocket with some flowers. So we'll just take one of these larger flowers. Glue that in there, and you can take the little, look how fun that is, little mini flowers, and put those inside. so cute. And then we've also got a cute little birdie. We'll just take this bird and where should we put the bird? Let's just put another covering panel on the next section over here, and we'll put the bird over there. And then we'll take a, let's see, Polaroid. Let's do this Polaroid, I guess. And you could put a picture inside of this. That'd be so cute. I'm gonna leave that top edge open so I could slide a photo down there later. And we've got our cute bird. Got to work him in. So let's put some adhesive on him, and we'll just, you'll notice on the back of the bird there's a little piece here to hold that wing back in place, so you can die cut the wing and the eyeball out and then replace those colors, and there you go. So we've got a little bird on our Polaroid frame with our pocket, and we've got a little insert for our pocket and our covering panels. And then you can do that embellishment on all those panels and come up with a darling little mini album. So let me just show you one more time our original sample here, done in fall colors. It says thankful and family. We've got our little bird. So you could totally go to town with any color scheme decorating this cute little mini album. I hope you have fun making this project, and be sure to keep your eye out for the Lori Whitlock icrafter dies in your local scrapbook store and request that they carry them. Have a great day, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.